Alright, today's unboxing has already been unboxed because of this. It's another pair of Air Jordans from Soul Story once again. This time it's the Dark Shadow, or I just call them Shadow. I don't know what the official nickname is. I think it's only Shadow, Air Jordan 1 Shadow. This is OG colorway from 1985. I think it was the third colorway to be released, I think. Third or fourth colorway to be released. And the last time we got these was in 2013. And I know that they were supposed to come in late 2016 or 17 because I ordered them in 2016. Yeah, so 2017 they were supposed to come. They didn't, but now in 2018 they are here, and I believe they are in OG. Everything is OG. We have souls in our soul. And they're nice. The gray, they got released in, when was that? 2015, maybe, in a low model. In mid or high, whatever you want to call it, was 2013, as I said. 2 years later or something, we got them in low. But the low, about this colorway, I don't know if I want to call this, of course it's gray, but I call it like elephant gray or something. In many of the pictures, this gray look more like, I don't know, your standard boring gray. A bit lighter in shade. So in live, they look a lot better. And usually for me, black shoes are boring, but it's an OG colorway. You should have them. They smell nice, and the leather is. What shoes did I review latest? The Air Jordan 1 Bread Toe, they were excellent, and before that it was another Air Jordan 1 from Soul Story that was okay. It was the Game Royal. These are a bit softer than the Game Royal. So the toe box is soft. The rest of the shoe is standard leather, nothing special. They smell good at least. And yeah, so OG colorway. The latest release we got was in 2013. We got a low model, like 2015 something, but the low Air Jordan 1 low is just so ugly. It looks like dad shoes. They were supposed to be released last year. We got them now this year. It's nice. Oh yeah, of course, I have a gray hoodie on me. This is gray for me. This is gray. This is, I don't know, also gray, but a bit more special. Elephant gray. I call them elephant gray. So thanks to Soul Story, and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share. Did you get the shoes? Even though it's an OG colorway, the hype has never been big on these. Even back in the days in '85 when the Air Jordan 1 was first released. The gray ones wasn't so hype, not at all. And when they got released in 2015, I actually think there were nothing between '85 and 2015. So it's been 20, no, I don't know. But anyway, 2015 they were hyped. And if you wanted to buy a pair of 2015 today, you still have to pay like $500. So the shoes, these 2018, wasn't so hyped, but they still sold out instantly. So it's a nice pair to have in your collection. It's a okay everyday shoe to have because it's dark but it's not boring. For me, black shoes are boring, so it's dark but not boring. So once again, thank you, goodbye, good night. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks.